write the range of the function f of x is equal to cos of step x, where this step function denotes the greatest integer or less than or equals to x, and x lies between minus pi by 2 and plus pi by 2. And since we know the approximate value of pi can be taken 3.14, so pi by 2 can be taken minus 1.57, we can take approximately. So x lies between minus 1.57 to plus 1.57 approximate value. So let us check the step value, the greatest integer of x value between these two values. So let's take the number line. Let's mark these points. So minus 1.57, that is minus pi by 2, and let us say here minus 1, say this is 0, say this is 1, and say here 1.57, that is pi by 2. So in between these values, a step value behaves like from 0 to 1. For x lies between 0 and 1 including 0, step x can be taken as 0, and for 1 less than or equals to x less than this pi by 2, so step x value will be equals to 1, and for x lies between minus 1 to 0, so step x value we can consider is minus 1, and for minus pi by 2 less than or equals to minus less than minus 1, so step x value will be equals to minus 2. So based on this information, so the given function f of x is equal to cos of step x, so we can write in the four intervals like cos of minus 2, so cos of minus 2 is nothing but cos 2 for the interval minus pi by 2 to minus 1, that's minus pi by 2 is less than or equals to x less than minus 1, and the next interval cos of minus 1, cos of minus 1 is equal to cos 1, since we know cos of negative minus theta is equal to cos theta. So for minus 1 is less than or equals to x less than 0, and in the third interval we can see from 0 to 1 cos of step of x is 0, cos 0, cos 0 is equal to 1, for 0 less than or equals to x less than 1, and the next case we can see cos of step of x is equal to 1, cos of 1 which is equal to cos 1 we can consider. So for 1 less than or equals to x less than pi by 2, so it been divided into 4 parts, so we are getting cos 2, cos 1, 1, cos 1, and hence we can just conclude that the range of the given function f can be taken as 1, cos 1 and cos 2. So this is the answer. Okay, thank you.